kung nag-change ang plan ng Mastermind, ako naka-establish na mga siege kit ng gunners nila, yung mga tone nila.
Well, na-on-F stance ang Milano since lamang na sila sa 10 points. Lamang na sila.
So in short, the Venetians can just run out the clock. And pwede na silang manalo itong test na to.
Well, kung base rules siguro, i-def nila to. She's considering 2-0 na, will push for a sudden death match.
We'll see. It's possible na magkaroon ng sudden death match. Pwede rin manalo Mastermind, but they have to win 2 more after they win this one. Or we can crown the new champion, and it's on! Here we go! Milano versus Apresha for the Gas 2008.
Pumapayong isang healer. One down for Milano healer.
One down for Milano. The Aprecians take first blood in this match.
They need to focus fire the mages for us, I think.
You see the Immortals going with the same battle plan na meron sila for the first and second round. The Berserker Barrage. Pero mukhang lumalaban ngayon ang Mastermind. 8 minutes remaining on the match. Again, if the Immortals win this one, it is all over for Apresha.
One Apresha down.
One Apresha down.
Two. Make it two.
Make that 2 Aprecians down. The Immortals are out for blood.
Making three. Breaking point is down.
Breaking point of Apresha is down. Make that 3 Aprecians down. Ewan ko lang kung makakabawi pa ang Mastermind, but if they do, it will be a great comeback for Apresha. The Milano are now on the offensive, and they are relentless. Walang tigil ang Milano sa pagbanat.
So, nahihirapan i-counter ng Mastermind yung Berserker Barrage ng Immortals.
I think that this has been their plan from the start. Bago pa mag-test. This is what the Immortals are known for. And trademark nila. Yan ang trademark nila. Is there another Aprecian down? No.
Hindi ko napansin.
So far, there are 3 Aprecians down. And the Milano have Apresha on the run.
And Milano are trying to lure them into their guard towers.
Pagka na-lure ng Milano ang Apresha sa guard tower nila.
And one warrior of Apresha is down.
Another Aprecian is down.
Yeah.
Another Aprecian is down.
And I think Milano will win this nest.
I have a good feeling. The match is now stopped. Hands up the keyboard. The match is now stopped. Match is stopped.
Oh.
The match is stopped, and we'll find out from the marshals and our GMs kung ano nangyayari ngayon sa National in third round, of course.
Well, may mga marshals naman nandun so they can decide.
And we'll find out from the marshals kung ano magiging decision nila. Ikaw, Chris, sa mga